who I might be. Today the sun is shining, every moment is another chance to let it in. Be free, just feel the magic.